Good morning to everybody. In today's lecture of NLP, we will see the ambiguities in the different structure, the lexical levels, semantics levels, syntax levels. That means the word ambiguities we have to see. In the last lecture, we have seen the word net. That is, you can use the word net for taking the meanings of the words in the English. Okay, here let us see the robust word sense disambiguations. That is means the WSD. There is always one question on the WSD, that is the robust word disambiguation. So that is equal to WSD. So we will see the dictionary based approach. So in the dictionary based approach, when we will see the dictionary based approach, the one word we will come is the ambiguity. Ambiguity means more than one meanings in the word. And the second one is the vagueness. Words, phrases have only one meaning, but lack of clarity. That means in the vagueness there is not a clarity in the words. Whenever we are expressing the word, there is no clarity. So we'll find the clarities. So because of the inclarity or the problems in the clarity, there is always ambiguities. So let us see. Suppose in the example, if there are the 8 words sentence and 3 interpretation we can calculate. So the number of interpretations of the whole sentence will be 3 raised to 8, that is equal to 3581. That means if we are considering the sentence, the 3 sentence, she walk on the street. Second, street is on front side. There is ball on the street. So there is a three meanings, that is the word is having the 3 meanings, and suppose this total words content is the 8 words. So 3 raised to 8 means 3581 number of interpretations. That means when there is a 8 words contents, okay, and the 3 sentences there, so according to that one, the public will take the 3581 interpretation, which is very high. So there is a problem, ambiguities. Okay, so we have to solve the ambiguity, and we have to solve the dictionary based ambiguity. So let us see the different type of the ambiguity first. Types of ambiguity. The first is lexical ambiguity. So lexical ambiguity, we'll see the lexical ambiguity. That means there is a different example. For example, look at the screen. And the second is here, look is verb. Whereas in the second case, second sentence, she gave me a stem look. So here, look is working as a noun. So this noun and this verb, so this two is having the ambiguous. However, this type of ambiguity is viewed as a part of the speech lagging in NLP and considered to have the solved with the reasonable accuracy. Means this type of the ambiguity will be solved by the reasonable accuracy. Now the second type of the ambiguity is syntactic ambiguity. Here let us see the example. The man Man saw a girl. Carrying a telescope. And the second example, man saw a girl carrying a telescope. So here is a man and there is a the. So this is called the syntactic structure. So syntactic structure is having the different. That means the with this type of the syntax will change the structure of the sentence, and there is always ambiguity. So the third, so there are different ways in which sequence of the word can be grammatically structured. Each structure leads to different interpretations. So when you are structured in a different way, there will be syntactic ambiguity. Now let us see the third one, semantics ambiguity. That is a semantics ambiguity. Semantic ambiguity occurs when the meaning of the word themselves can be misinterpreted. For example, the meaning of the word in the phrase can be combined in different way, leading a different interpretation. That means the meaning is on the different way. So that is called the semantic ambiguities. So let us see the examples. I saw a man. The second will be I saw a male. Third one, I saw a person. So in this case, person may be the male or female. So in this way, the semantics ambiguity creates the problems. Now, next one is the pragmatic ambiguity. So next one is the pragmatic ambiguity. Pragmatic ambiguity refers to a situation where the context of the phrase gives multiple interpretation. For example, give it to the kids. Here, it may refers to many things depending on the context. Consider the target context. Cake is on the table. I have prepared some snacks. Give it to kids. It is not clear whether it refers to the cake or the snack for both. Perhaps a larger context may help us. Cake is on the table. I have prepared some snacks. Give it to kids. Kids enjoy the cake and snacks. Now it is clear that it refers to both snacks and the cakes. So resolving these types of the ambiguity required a discourse processing. That means in the pragmatic ambiguities, the particular sentences having not concerned with the clear meanings to where it is attached, to which thing it is attached. So in that case, we have to use the discourse one. So discourse type of the ambiguities we will see. Let us see the next. So discourse based means, so whenever you have to combine the words, okay, we have to find out the different sentences, okay, and each one will take into different ways. So that is a problem. So that is also the one other type of the ambiguity. That is a discourse ambiguity. So in this way, ambiguity will be the clear cut. Now the next one is the dictionary based or the knowledge based approach. Dictionary based, as the name suggests, or disambiguation, these methods primarily relate to the dictionary treasures and lexical knowledge base. They do not use the corpora evidence for the disambiguation. So that means we will use the dictionary words to find out the proper sentences. So in this way, we can say that the WSD will give you the clear-cut idea about your result. Thank you for hearing this lecture. झालं असं.